Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful 2019 on a 69 plate Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet SZ5 manual, finished in cosmic black pearl. Top of the range vehicle, features keyless entry, privacy glass. You have a full length panoramic sunroof, which I'll come to in a minute. These diamond cut alloys, parking sensors at the rear with a reverse camera. Really fabulous spec. 60/40 split rear seat system. This vehicle's in outstanding condition. It's got hardly any marks on the interior boot trims. Nothing on the lip of the rear bumper. It's done 9,700 miles, this vehicle. Underneath here, the previous owners kept everything: the compressor kit, the towing eye, tool, etc. Really great specification, tremendous value for money. As you'd expect with this car, you're getting keyless entry, beautifully finished. This really lovely cosmic black pearl paintwork is in exemplary condition. This vehicle's been through our workshop. It will, or has undergone, a service, 101 point used car check, encapsulating everything. We look at stuff like tyre tread depths, vehicle electrical systems, mechanical systems. The vehicle has to fulfill Suzuki approved standards, so it's prepared to the highest possible standard. Looking here inside the vehicle, we have half leather, half Alcantara suede interior, showing minimal, very minimal signs of wear. It's in beautiful condition. This suede extends over to the door cards, and you've got, as you'd expect with this car, electric windows all round, electric power folding door mirrors, one touch electric window on the driver's side. And sitting inside the car, you've got things like lane departure warning system, Suzuki Smart City brake support, traction control, etc., fog lamps, parking sensors, Suzuki stop start technology. Looking here at the centre, we'll just get back to some home screen here. Looking in the centre to clarify the mileage, 9,742 miles. On the left hand side you've got your tachometer with temperature gauge. On the right hand side you've got your speedometer with fuel gauge. You've got this button here which will tell you various statistics. 34.6 mpg, that is subjective. It depends on how the vehicle is driven, and 89 miles left in the tank. Various other things like instant fuel economy, driving time, various other statistics which you can look at and get into. If you want to get into the vehicle setup menu, you keep your finger on this button and you can adjust things like your units in distance, your fuel economy, how that's read, language, fuel reset, temperature, how that's read, parking sensors, clock settings, door locks, lights, oil change statistics, TPMS, which is your tyre pressure monitoring system, your sign recognition, etc. This takes you back into the screen. So very simple, very easy. You can set up your individual driver preferences through the setup menu. As I say, you've got the speedometer, temperature gauge, left hand side, tachometer, rev counter with a temperature gauge underneath, fuel gauge on the right hand side. And here, a multifunction steering wheel which features volume control, stereo controls on the left hand side, integrated Bluetooth with voice control there, and this radar cruise control, an adaptive intelligent cruise control system. And here behind the steering wheel you've got auto lights with variable speed on the intermittent, and your rear wipers there, all concentrated conveniently on one stalk. Automatic lights there on the left hand side. Center here you've got your Suzuki main infotainment center. This is all touchscreen. Let me just turn down this heater control there, but you can see you've got FM, AM, DAB radio with this, and if you press this cog button in each of the screens, you'll then get into the main setup settings. So your sound settings there, you can adjust bass, treble, balance, fader, speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the sound level according to the internal according to compensate for any road or engine noise, fader, etc. Equalizer presets. To get back into the home screen, it's here, and you got satellite navigation. Again, the map looks like this. Very simple, very easy. Back to the home screen, we'll just take you into this again. So POIs nearby, a really great system. So if you wanted to find your bank, local bank, etc., it will tell you Lloyds, NatWest, Nationwide, etc. Back button here, very easy. And to find an address, their country, postcode, press this button, it takes you straight to the nav. So your map looks like this. Home screen, you got integrated Bluetooth with voice control here, and you see here again, we press this cog button, it takes you into further menus. Back to the home screen, smartphone linkage, press the cog button, takes you into further menus. This car has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Back to here, just press on the clutch. You can also see you got reverse camera with markers. Automatic climate control beneath this, so you would dial in the temperature that you want, hit automatic, it will direct the air according to the internal temperature of the vehicle, then it will adjust the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Heated rear window, front demist, mode button where you want the air to go. You can see it's changing direction. You can override the auto facility. Air conditioning, recircle, taking air from the outside in. So a lot of people just dial in the temperature, hit auto, it'll adjust the fan speed and where the air is going, all automatically. Down beneath here, 12-volt power socket and USB. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox here. Handbrake lever with various cup holders, storage, etc. And central glove box, center armrest storage. Glove box is here with locking wheel nut. Last owners kept everything with the car. And you've got this wonderful, look at this, electric sun blind. The sunroof does open, we'll come to that in a minute. Works faultlessly. Everything works on this car as you'd expect from top flight Suzuki Japanese engineering. Beautiful. And the sunroof, as I said to you, is a full panoramic roof. Look, with built-in wind deflector there. Look at that. Beautifully engineered. Press that again. Comes forward like so. Works effortlessly. Got this beautiful, in this vehicle, this beautiful hard wearing leather and Alcantara suede interior. It's like brand new. You'd expect it with 9,742 miles. But what a terrific spec vehicle. These drive superbly, whether you have manual or automatic. It doesn't matter. The road holding, handling capabilities, what you're getting for your money is a really superb quality Japanese SUV vehicle, featuring the latest technology, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, climate control, integrated Bluetooth, mirror link for your phone, you know, auto wipers, auto lights, radar cruise control, smart city brake support, lane departure warning. It's a full spec and a wonderful 6-speed gearbox. Road holding and handling on these, second to none. Comes with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty. If you wish to find out any more details on the vehicle, please go onto our website. As a final, before I give that, we do take any vehicle in part exchange, and we will be as competitive as the company advertising on national television. We also do full funding facilities, so essentially TW White & Sons is your one-stop shop for your next vehicle. If you want to find out any more about this lovely Suzuki Vitara SZ5, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks.